Hi guys! The weather is getting chillier here. You can see I'm wearing something warmer because it's getting chilly. And today I'm making a recipe which is actually, I have this recipe already in my it was one of the first recipes I shared here on YouTube. But because the recipe is with an ingredient, quark, which is not available in every country, I wanted to find a way to make the same thing but with something that you all will have available. So I took the recipe, I remade it, actually I did some other tweaks to it as well and perfected it. And today we are making delicious ricotta pancakes, which I like to call cheesecake pancakes. I have the ricotta already here in a medium bowl, and now I'm just gonna add in the rest of the ingredients. So I'm adding in the sugar and some vanilla paste. Then I'm gonna add in the egg. And just before I'm gonna add in the flour and the cornstarch, I'm just gonna give a short mix to combine the ricotta with the egg and the sugar. And once it's almost combined, so just a short mix so that it starts to combine, and then you can start adding in the flour and the cornstarch. And then you want to continue mixing so that everything is well combined. So I'm just folding through with a spatula to check that everything is combined, that I have a nice and smooth mix. So you can see it's all nicely combined, and now we can start frying the pancakes. You want to portion the batter using a tablespoon. So take a tablespoon of the batter and add it to this plate or a bowl where you have quite a bit of flour, so not a lot but quite a bit. You can keep on adding if you need more, and then add the batter into the plate, and you want to cover it completely with the flour, and then take it from the plate and with the flour start forming a pancake. Then you want to have your frying pan on medium-low heat, and you want to add a little bit of vegetable oil to it. I'm using coconut oil, but you can also use any other oil that you like. And then you just want to spread the oil over the frying pan and start frying the pancakes. You want to fry them a couple of minutes and then turn them around. And if you can see that the pan is too dry, then you can add a little bit more oil. And then you want to continue frying them for another minute or 2 minutes. Just keep on checking that it's brown from the other side as well. So I hope you had fun making those pancakes. And what I did while I was making the pancakes, you can see from the thumbnail there was something delicious on top. What I did, I took some of plums that I had left over. You can use any fruit of your choice. I will have details in the recipe, so you can check that. So I took the plums, added some sugar, and allowed it to boil while I was making the pancakes. And once the pancakes were ready, I had a delicious topping to go on the pancakes. So I served these pancakes with a little bit of Greek yogurt. Maybe you've learned already. I really love that Greek yogurt. But you can also use whipping cream for a naughty treat, or sour cream if you don't have Greek yogurt. And then I added that delicious plum compote or plum jam on top. It was so yummy. Fits perfectly and tastes really nice. So you can see here, I'm gonna show you, because you always want to see on the inside, so how they actually look. So I'm gonna show you how the pancakes look on the inside. And if you look, they really look like a cheesecake. Of course, they're not as soft and creamy because they're made in a different way, but they're super yummy and super delicious. So this is the pancake recipe that's most made in this house, because we really love them. They're kind of traditional Russian, well, with the quark that I mentioned, but I might like them even more with the ricotta, because I don't know, but somehow they're more fluffy, more soft, and they just taste so delicious. So I really hope you will be trying this out, and I hope you will like this recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe and if you will be trying it out, don't forget that thumbs up for support, so I know you like the recipe, and well, to make me smile. And subscribe so you don't miss any coming recipes, because I have some delicious things coming your way. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.